Welcome to Gentec, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentec products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components are included. Place the flow controller and strainer, ensuring correct flow controller orientation. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. To adjust runtime, turn the adjustment screw clockwise to decrease runtime or anti-clockwise to increase runtime. If water flow adjustment is required, you remove the cap using a screwdriver and then remove grub screw A and adjust grub screw B for the desired height. After completing the adjustment, reinstall and tighten grub screw A to lock the position. Then, replace the cap using a screwdriver. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentec on +612 931944422 or email at info@gentecaustralia.com.au.